Good evening, everybody. As you can see, we are about ready to get a thunderstorm. That is what you see over there. That's across the river, and it's probably already raining over there. And right there is the dividing line. But look at those clouds. They really look a little angry. Whoops, my light just came on. I stepped out too far. Now, I was watching the weather cams around the area, and right there, that looks like a shelf cloud, and it even goes way up in there. I'm not going to walk out there because I've got my nightgown on. That's why I didn't want the light to come on. But I've been keeping an eye on that cloud right there. And over here. See if I can stand back and let that light go off. Sorry about the finger. We don't have a severe thunderstorm warning out that I know of. I didn't get anything on my phone anyhow. I don't have the TV on. But according to that cloud right there, maybe I should. But if we get anything, I usually get a notification on my phone. Ooh, can you hear the thunder? All the way back into there. It is black. And over top of me. Hey, but at least I'm home this time. I don't have to worry about rushing home to get home before the storm. The next day after the video that I did, we had another thunderstorm. And we had the same street flooding and everything, and it was pretty bad. But at least I was already home. Ooh! Yeah, y'all. You already know how I feel about storms. Like I said, it looks like it's raining across the river already. I didn't say anything on the weather cam, but it sure looked like it's gonna rain over there, or already is. That is one low-hanging cloud right there. This year's weather, just like everything else, has gone absolutely wacky. And next week will be August already. We've had nothing but bad stuff going on this year. And from what I hear, this fall is going to be worse. Guys, all we can do is try to prepare and put some food back while it's available. I've heard that the canned food shortages is starting to come around again. Instead of toilet paper, it's going to be canned stuff, like soups and stuff, especially vegetables. Of course, we all know what has happened to the harvest from last year and this year and maybe next year, I don't know. But it's looking pretty bad. And I didn't do as big a garden as I wanted to. But I hope everybody's gardens are doing better than mine. I've already picked quite a few tomatoes, and there's some peppers out there that's ready. Like I said, I don't grow the peppers for me. So, a couple people that I give them to better get over here because they're about ready. But anyhow, I am about to head in the house, and I'll turn the TV on and see what it says about the weather. Because even way back in, where's my finger? Way back in there, that looks pretty ominous up back there too. Oh, there, my light finally went off. So that way nobody can see me out here in my nightgown. Okay, I'm going to get back in the house. I'm just leaning up against my front door, actually. But I'm going to get in the house, turn TV on, check the weather, and see what's going on. And y'all stay tuned, because I've got a little bit of announcement. I'm not going to give nothing away. I'm just going to give a slight little hint. But still not tell you nothing. But anyhow, maybe toward the end of next video. But anyhow, can you see how those are kind of a pinkish color? Ooh. I heard rain coming. Ooh, yeah, time for me to go in. We'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Oh, yes, me too. Local people, please stay safe, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.